Hello, hi, good morning. Okay, can you see my screen?
Not yet. Now, yes.
Now you can, right? Okay. Okay, so now I am going to discuss about how to integrate Visual Studio with, what is that, GitHub. Okay, yeah, now access the portal. This is the portal, and access the GitHub. This is the GitHub. Okay, yeah, so this is the GitHub. Now always I am starting the repository with uh, .NET hyphen today's timestamp. Okay, so this is the repo which I was created last time. I'm going to delete it. Why? Because I will push the code through Visual Studio, right? Yeah, next, how to delete one repository in GitHub is just go to specific repository that you would like to delete, click on settings. Okay, scroll down, delete repository, paste it. Okay, yeah, right now go to, okay, GitHub. So I am going to create one new repository, or else repository and pushing the code both we can do using Visual Studio itself. So this is the Visual Studio. Just I am deleting existing projects. Why? Because I have many, what is that, repositories. Okay. So unnecessary repositories, people can delete it. Okay. Now go and check. Almost it is installation is completed. Highlight and delete it. This is how we can delete the existing repositories. Okay, highlight particular repository, go to settings, scroll down, highlight and delete it. Yeah, see here as well, Visual Studio has been completed, right? Now close this window, open Visual Studio 2022. Okay, start. Yeah, Visual Studio 2022. Okay, yeah, skip for now. I'm choosing blue. Start Visual Studio. Okay, yeah, file, new project. Okay, yeah, use ASP.NET. As usual, C Sharp, Windows, Web. Okay, so scroll down from last to third. Okay, yeah, so ASP.NET Web application. Next, here you can mention .NET project, today's timestamp 2022 09/23. Okay, yeah, next. So select this place the solution in repository so that it will create SLN file. SLN file is mandatory for build and release pipelines. Okay, highlight. I don't want HTTPS. Create. Yes. Now highlight. So before thing, add to source control. In the bottom we have add to source control. Git. Okay. So this time I'm choosing GitHub. Okay. First signing with GitHub account. So I am entering GitHub credentials. Yeah. Verification code to Gmail. So when you authorize it, you will get one OTP to your email ID. Copy and paste it. Okay, see our authorization was successful. Now you can return to Visual Studio. Okay, yeah, repository name is .NET Project 2022 and 09. 23rd. Okay, so today timestamp. Now create and push. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Now go and check. So what is the project name did I create? This is the one, last one. I can say .NET project 2022. This is the one, right? 2022 09 23rd. Okay. Yeah. See, this is the content. If you observe timestamp, it is showing 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute ago, right? So generally, what I did so far, I created GitHub. Got it. So from GitHub, I imported the repository into Agent, Azure repository. Next, I build the pipeline. Next, it has generated a package. The package is handed out to artifacts. Then we created the what? Release pipeline. Then it is targeting to what? App services, right? Yeah. Now I can build this code. How can I build this code? Directly with Visual Studio, with GitHub. Okay, so now here you need not import the code. Generally earlier in my previous session, I import the code GitHub to Azure repos. So this step is not required. Directly you can build the code in GitHub itself. Okay, Microsoft has provided such kind of add-ins. Okay, how can you do that is have a look, go to dev.azure.com. Create one project. The project name is .NET project -2 created. So what is the add-in which Microsoft has provided is go to marketplace. Okay, GitHub of marketplace. Here just type Azure. See, these are all the add-ins. Okay, these are all add-ins. Got it. Okay, now we are working on Azure pipeline, Azure boards, cloud, Azure AML, okay, and 7 place time tracker, backup, main board, okay, Azure web app, Azure login, many add-ins they have provided. Okay, you should know minimum basics. So we are looking for Azure pipelines now. Click on Azure pipelines. Okay, yeah, here you can edit. Already I install add-in. You people can here configure. You will get configure. Click on configure, then automatically it will do that. Okay, or else you can edit. Okay, it will display all your name. Save it. So forever reference, just it will ask you to configure. That's it. Okay, to complete installation, you must, what is that? Grant this app access in GitHub account. That's it. Okay, see it is asking, do you want approve it for all libraries which are existing in GitHub or else only a few libraries? So when you choose all libraries, in future if you create any repositories, by default it would be replicated in Azure DevOps build pipeline. So choose all repositories. So I am showing the settings again, very simple. Go to Azure pipeline. Next here, to complete installation, you must grant this app access to GitHub account. Highlight, now choose and install it. So I am installing it. Okay, select. Okay, yeah, it is asking which project. Okay, already I have installed. Why should I install again? Not required. Now go back. You people can install it. Okay, that is mandatory for you. Now, what I will do now, once you configure it, go to build pipeline. I am not going to what repositories. It's not required. Why? Because I have GitHub repository. Why should I import it here? Not required. Now directly I am going for what? Pipeline. Create pipeline. Okay. Yeah. Classic. Here choose where is your code? GitHub. Where is your code? GitHub. So connection name, if you want, you can change it. What is that? GitHub integrates Azure build pipe. Azure DevOps. Authorize it. Okay, so it is asking repository. See, we approved for all repositories, right? See, it is showing all repositories. If you approve for one or two repositories, only those things would be listed down. Now, which one would you like to configure? Uh, .NET with today's timestamp. This is the one. .NET project 2022-09-23. So why I am providing today's timestamp is to identify our repository easily, guys. You people can provide any name. Okay, I am running multiple, what is that, repositories and all. For me, it is identification is difficult, so that I am putting today's timestamp. You people can put TCS project, .NET project, and Java project, whatever you like. Okay, highlight it. Okay, this is the mastermind. Continue. Okay, now have it ASP.NET build code. Okay, so these are all what tasks. By default, you will get tasks. Okay, yeah, now save and run it. Whatever, yeah, chitka. Okay, yeah. Now it's in progress. Okay, yeah. So yes, jobs are completed. Now go and create release pipeline directly. Meanwhile, go and create one app service. Create app. Okay. So .NET my TCS app. TCS app 2022. Okay, I am choosing .NET 7 preview. East US. Okay, yeah. Hit on review plus create. Yeah, create. Okay, yeah, next. This is about what? My app services access it. Okay, access it. Now, have a look. Okay, navigate to dev.azure.com. Now create new pipeline. Okay, app services. Okay, I am giving PRD. Okay, save. Apply the what? Artifacts. Okay, add it. So this time I will do full automation. Full automation in the sense, if you made some changes in the code. Okay, see for me also now this point it is displaying. Okay, yeah, add it, authorize. Okay, yeah, app services. Right, now just save. Okay, now release the pipeline. Create, release. Yes. Okay, before doing that, I will do full automation. First thing is edit this pipeline. Okay, yeah, triggers, continuous integration. Okay, one is save it. Okay, first thing. Second thing is let it be released. Here also we can do automation. Okay, yeah, it's done. Right, now go and access it. Yeah, see, Java .NET application. Now what I will do now, I will automate build pipe release pipeline as well. Go to release, edit. Here, see, this is the artifacts, right? Just click on artifact, this symbol. This symbol we will call it as deployment trigger. Click on deployment trigger, enable it. See what it is showing, create a release. What is that? Creates a release. Every new build is available. Save it. Okay, save it. Now go to release. What I will do now, I will do some updates. Okay, navigate to site.master. Yeah, scroll down. Okay, yeah, copy this code. One line of code, paste it. I am giving just at end of the button Microsoft. Okay, so just on top of the application, I will get what? Microsoft, another button. Okay, yeah, let's see, just save it. Now git changes. Okay, commit. I am giving update site dot master. Okay, yeah, here it is asking repository, let it be. Okay, now commit. Why commit is not prompting? Sorry. Okay, yeah, just it will ask the username and password. Okay, successfully pushed it to origin. Okay, now go and check whether it has been updated or not. Go to where is that GitHub? Okay, .NET project, site dot master history. No, 18 minutes only it's showing. It should be push. Let me check. Okay. So the commit option should be enabled. I installed something missed out. You people try it out one time. After that, second. Okay, successfully pushed it to origin. Okay, now go to here, project, refresh. No, changes are not being integrated. I will write something console dot console dot write line. Just I am adding the code. It commit.
I think you need to stage it first, then click on commit.
Ah, no, it will directly
Right?
can. No, you can push it directly. No issues. No need to create the branches. You mean to say create new branch and verify?
No, no,
Uh,
no. Right click on file, click on stage,
okay.
click on stage. The second one.
Yeah.
No, it is not appearing.
No. By default, it should appear. Something missed out. Mm, 1 second. I will install the Git. Okay. Go to Git, re-download. Okay, you know already Git usage already explained. Just I am installing the Git in this server as well. So in your system, try it out. You should get commit all these updates. For me, due to some changes, it's not appearing. Maybe some DLLs are missed out for my end. Uh, yeah, close it. Git changes. Still. Okay, yeah, it is showing these files. Now git uh, add git commit hyphen message second commit. Okay, it is asking something, right? Commit and all. So enter your username and password. Copy these comments. So I'm showing different ways. Okay, so first it should be appear over there. That is the first thing. By mistake, it was not appear. Then we can also push the changes like this. Shake. Okay. Yeah. Git commit hyphen a hyphen message second commit. Okay. Git push. Okay. It's done. This is the other way of pushing the data. Okay. Let's go and check. Uh, refresh. Yeah. 20 seconds ago. Okay. We updated site.master, right? Now click on it. We added what? Microsoft 2022. Now, the moment when you made some changes in the code, go and verify automatic build pipeline might have been initiated. See, it has been initiated. So try it out. 100% you will get this commit option here. If you don't get our manual method, okay. So what was that? Same. Install the kit, perform these operations. Apart from that, nothing. See now those red color tick marks are gone. What does that mean? Changes have been moved. Okay, agent, yeah, build pipeline is done. Now go to release pipeline. See, automatically it has started. So one click deployment. This will call it as one click deployment. So when you made some changes in the code, okay, after commit it, automatic build pipeline will be initiated. Then once it is done, when there is a new package for release pipeline, then automatic release pipeline also will be initiated. Yeah, it's done. Right now, navigate to your application, refresh. You should get Microsoft button. See, we got it. Am I right? So, yeah, can I trigger an email for your approval? I mean, manager's approval and all. Yes, how can you trigger an email? before deploying into the production. Okay, so where can I trigger the email? In release pipeline itself. Now go to release pipeline, edit this pipeline. Here, see there is a pre-deployment conditions. Click on it. Okay, here we have pre-deployment approvals. Enable. Who is who is your manager and who has to be approved this pipeline? Okay, that is up to you. So as of now, I haven't integrate Active Directory with Azure DevOps, so that by default we can able to provide the name here is owner. Okay, so what is the owner name? I am the owner of this subscription. Yes. Now save it. So I will get an email. Okay, I will get an email. Now what I will do now, I will do some changes again. Okay, now go to site.master. Okay, site.master. Copy. I am giving Microsoft Azure. Just I am giving Azure. If you want, you can add another button. I did some code enhancement. Azure and Azure AI Artificial Intelligence. Azure AI Artificial Intelligence. Now save it. Now go to Git changes. Yeah, see now it is appearing, guys. Due to some issues earlier it was disabled. Now it is appearing. Okay, yeah, I am giving updated commit all. Okay, committed. Then push. So nice, right? So if you identify something in the tool, we have alternative. Git bash is good tool, but you should know the commands. That's it. Okay, code has been pushed to, where is that? GitHub. Go back, go to site.masters, refresh. Site.master. See, updated 38 seconds ago. Actually, I have pushed this code 34 minutes back. Now just I updated. I mean, I did some code enhancements, right? Now go and check. Automatic build pipeline will be initiated. Okay, as soon as you made some changes in the code. Okay, yeah. Now go and check build pipeline. See, this is the third pipeline. Third pipeline in the sense 2022 09 23 third build. Okay, so in next session, I will show you how to deploy this code on virtual machine. So far, we are targeting about web services, app services, right? So now, tomorrow, I am going to show you how to deploy same application on top of virtual machine. Okay, then we will go for Docker and Kubernetes.
Can you also tell us how to integrate with the Azure, the Active Directory?
Yeah, that is mandatory.
Okay, so in that case, like if there are 10 members, the email can be forwarded to all the 10 members, or
Yeah,
is it
10
always going to
members.
be?
Yes,
Okay,
yes. If anyone can approve, that's it enough.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. So deployment, yeah, build pipeline is done. Go and see. A release pipeline, it is waiting for your approval. See, if I go and access my email ID, what is that? Outlook. I should get email. There is that, see, succeeded.NET CA continuous integration is done. I should get an email. Let us wait. Yeah, now I got it. See what it is showing. Azure DevOps. Microsoft.com. Okay, and deployment to stage prod waiting for your approval. Automated release creation. Trigger by whom? This is the name. Attempt first up attempt. Okay, commits updated shaker. I did commit. So everything you will get an email. So the moment when you click on view approval, it will take us to same release pipeline. As a manager, I can approve it. Okay. So once it is approved, click on approve it. That's it. Automatically, your application code targets to prod environment. Okay, deployment is done. Now go and check, refresh one time. Okay, yeah, it's done. See Azure Artificial Intelligence. Okay, this is how we can create pipeline with Azure. Uh, sorry, GitHub. From GitHub directly we can integrate, build and release pipelines. So if I go and verify, see, do you see any code? No, it is empty. So this is how what we can integrate Visual Studio with GitHub directly. That is important. Most of the organizations people are using GitHub itself. Okay. So practice it. In next session we will target about what? Visual virtual machine. Okay, so how can you host your code on top of virtual machine? So far we are targeting always app services, right? So leave about it. If you have physical virtual machines and all, how can you deploy your application on top of VM? That we will see in tomorrow. Okay, yeah. Next, we will see about Docker and Kubernetes. Through Kubernetes, how we can create, build and release pipelines, how to host that application on top of AKS. Okay, that we'll see last session. Yeah. Okay. Thank you everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That I have. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, Puneet.
Yeah. So can you please help us to deploy one of the Java application in a Java or a
Java
Python application?
Java application, I will give you the list of tasks to be add. I will show you. So if I get the Java application, I will show you, or else I will provide the documentation for that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.